Lecture 1. What is MidJourney? A beginner's overview. Hi everyone and welcome to the first lecture of our course, MidJourney for Beginners. Create stunning AI art with ease. Today we're laying the foundation for everything that follows. In this lecture, we will learn what MidJourney is and how it works in a simple, beginner-friendly way. You will learn how this tool uses artificial intelligence to turn your words into images, where it operates, and what makes it stand out from other AI art platforms. We'll also talk about who is using it, why it's becoming so popular, and the types of videos you can create with it, even if you have never made art before. This lecture will give you the background you need to start creating with confidence in the coming weeks. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain what MidJourney is in simple terms, understand how MidJourney fits into the bigger picture of AI-generated art, recognize what makes MidJourney different from other AI tools, begin thinking about how you might use it creatively. So, let's begin by answering the big question. What exactly is MidJourney? What is MidJourney? MidJourney is an AI-powered tool that creates images from text prompts. In simpler terms, you type a sentence describing what you want to see, and MidJourney draws it for you instantly. Think of it like describing a dream to someone, and they paint it out right in front of you. What's special is that you don't need any drawing skills, design software, or art background. Just your imagination and the right words. Where does it live? Unlike most apps that you download, MidJourney operates through a Discord server. That might sound unfamiliar now, but we'll walk you through how to set it up in the next lecture. For now, just know that it runs in a chat-like environment where you type your prompts and the bot responds with images. How does it work? At its core, MidJourney is trained on a massive number of images and styles. When you describe a scene, let's say a cat wearing sunglasses sitting on a surfboard at sunset. It breaks that sentence down and tries to generate a picture that fits your description. It's a bit like having a very creative assistant who is good at interpreting your ideas and turning them into art in seconds. What makes it unique? MidJourney focuses on artistic style and detail. While other tools like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion also generate images, MidJourney is known for its textured, stylized look. Think of it as more art gallery than stock photo. It also gives you control over the final look, offering variations, remixes, and quality adjustments, which we'll explore later in the course. Why is it gaining popularity? MidJourney is becoming popular for several reasons. It's fast and easy to use. Anyone can create high-quality art with minimal effort. Artists, students, designers, and marketers are using it for creative brainstorming, project visuals, social media content, and more. It's not just a toy, it's a creative tool. And once you understand the basics, it's incredibly fun and addictive to use. What can you do with it? Here are just a few things people create with MidJourney: book covers, album art, poster designs, concept sketches for characters and stories, mood boards, unique social media content. Basically, if you can describe it, MidJourney can visualize it.